When the Jewish people prayed that called the prayer where it says, "Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God is one." Did you just stump your toe?
Yeah.
Charlie, he was typing on that.
Oh, I hit it.